Flux Core Welding, a simple guide for beginners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our latest video. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of flux core welding. Whether you're a beginner in welding or just curious about this technique, this video will provide you with a clear understanding of what flux core welding is and how it works. So, let's get started and explore this intriguing skill together. Before we jump into flux core welding, let's cover some basic concepts of welding. Welding is a process where two pieces of metal are joined together by heating them to a melting point and then allowing them to cool and fuse. It's a fundamental technique used in everything from building structures to repairing tools. Now, let's focus on flux core welding. This is a specific type of welding that uses a continuous wire fed through a welding gun. This wire is special because it has a core filled with flux, a material that helps to protect the weld pool from contamination by the air. This is crucial because, without this protection, the welded area could become weak and defective. One of the reasons flux core welding is popular is due to its versatility and efficiency. It's great for outdoor use because it's less affected by wind, unlike other welding types. Plus, it's faster than traditional welding methods, making it a go-to choice for many professionals and hobbyists. In flux core welding, you need specific equipment like a welding machine, welding gun, and protective gear. Safety is paramount in welding. Always wear protective clothing, including gloves and a helmet with a visor, to shield yourself from sparks, heat, and harmful light. For beginners, here are a few tips. Start with simple projects to build your skill. Maintain a steady speed and distance with the welding gun. Practice regularly to improve your technique and confidence. We hope this video has given you a good introduction to flux core welding. Remember, like any skill, it takes practice and patience to master. Don't be discouraged by initial challenges. Keep practicing, stay safe, and enjoy the process of learning something new. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.